Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core and this is lab 2.7.3 and we are going to allow remote desktop connections. So you need to customize remote desktop settings on your computer to allow Tom Plask, a help desk technician, remote access to your system. In this lab, your task is to configure Office 1 to allow connections from remote desktop. Add Tom Plask as a user that will be able to connect to Office 1 using a remote desktop connection. Verify that the firewall port for remote desktop are opened appropriately. Okay, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's see, is there any other thing we need to do? Nothing, so we'll go ahead and start up a lab. So in case you find this tutorial to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining our professional membership where you have detailed access to our wide array of educational materials that will help you solve any TestOut lab at all. Also consider to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you are notified when we drop new videos on our YouTube channel. So we just wait for the lab to load. Alright, so we'll go to settings, and under settings we want to go to, let's maximize this, and then we'll go to remote desktop, and then let's turn this on. And then we'll go ahead and confirm. And let's see, we select users that can remotely access this PC, and then we'll go ahead and add. So we're adding Tom Plask, so let's just copy and paste Tom Plask. We copy Tom Plask and just paste. So we check name and we'll go ahead and click OK. Alright, so Tom Plask is added, so we'll go ahead and click OK. So we'll go to display. No, we'll go back to home, and then we'll go to update and security, and then we'll go to view. We'll go to Windows security, and then let's go to firewall and network protection, and then when that opens up you want to scroll down and select allow an app through firewall. Then we'll click on change settings. Now click on OK. Then we'll go ahead and check answers. Alright, so we'll go ahead and scroll up. So if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video material to help you in your educational journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.